Hi, in this video today I'm going to show you how you can clean your Karcher OC3. So we're going to need some long nose pliers to get to the filter, and it's also useful to have a damp cloth as well. When it comes to the cover and everything, just get your damp cloth and you can give that a good clean all over. When it comes to the inside, we're going to clean the filter, and also we're going to clean the end of the gun as well. So lift this up here, bring the handle to the front, and that allows us access to this here. Also, you can give this a nice good rinse out, make sure there's no scale build-up or anything inside there. Now, with the gun, it's really straightforward. Also, with this, you can get your cloth and you can work your way around and clean all the hose, but that's not going to affect the operation of it. But this might, because if this was blocked up, you might find that it's pulsing, it's not letting the water out properly. You can actually take this out by pushing in and giving it a twist, a quarter turn counterclockwise, and then that will pull out. It will give you an opportunity to clean right through here. So you can just get a tap, go right the way through. Very carefully, if it was blocked, you could maybe get a little needle without damaging it, because you don't want to enlarge that hole. You could get a tiny little needle and you could just try to clean out the hole if it was blocked up with stones or grit or something like that. So it will give you an opportunity to clean all around here. Bring this over to the sink and give this a nice good clean. When it goes back in, you can see that we have top and bottom here. So just put it top and bottom there, and we're going to push in against the spring and turn clockwise until it locks into place. So counterclockwise to undo and clockwise to do up. Now there is a little filter down here. If this filter is blocked, again, the performance of the machine will suffer. It might not work right at all. You need to get some long nose pliers. You need to take out this little cover here, and the filter is this little white thing just here. Hopefully you might find that yours is covered in hair, bits of stones, dirt, etc. Bring that over to the sink and give it a nice good clean. You have gauze around the edge, and then it's open at the top here. So if you turn it upside down and let the tap water hit against this bit here, hopefully it will flush out all the little bits like that there. So give that a nice good clean, let water flood everywhere, give it a shake, make sure all the bits come out of it, and then we can drop this back into here. So with this bit, it doesn't matter how it goes in as long as it goes into the hole. So rotation wise, it doesn't matter. Just drop it in there like so. Make sure it's fully seated down. And with this bit, we have to have the cutout at the very bottom here, because there's a little bit of plastic just here. So make sure the cutout goes over that bit of plastic and it will fit into place like so. You can see now that's level with that. If that's fully seated down, then you can pack it away again. So put that there, put this back on, up, down. Hopefully then, once you've given this all a wipe, your Karcher will be operating nicely well into the future. Thanks for watching.